So over here, you can see that I have a table right here generated out of query. And if you want to generate out other things right here, like other fields out of the data you have in the query, then you can go around into view right here. And without having to create a field in an existing table, you can simply come over here in the query design area and go around and add in an expression right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to calculate out the price, and let's say I want to provide a discount of 15% to each of the courses right here. So I'm going to go around right here and choose price first. So let me just go around and choose price, and I'm going to enclose the price with large brackets right here, and then multiply it by 0.15, which turns into 15%. Press enter, and the expression has been applied, as you can see. So if I were to go to view, now you can see that the calculated data is here. So these are the 15% of each of the prices listed out on the left side. You can go around over here, and here it is expression 1, as you can see, which becomes the default title. So you can just go around and say discount right here, rename it out, and what happens is that if I were to go to view, now it turns into discount, as you can see. And this is what you see in the query, and it's not there in any of the tables that you have over here. So it's just there in the table generated from the query. So if I were to go around into view, now I can simply go around right here and then change the value according to how I want over here. And that is how you can go around and then generate field data with expression inside of a query, inside of an Access database. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.